Alright guys, I wanted to stop over at Ontario Mills at the Nike factory store, but the line starts, that's the front of the line, but the line is outside and roughly about 2-hour wait, so I'm gonna pass for today. So the line for Nike goes from here all the way out to the parking lot. There it is. We're just gonna check. And if you wanted to go to the Adidas factory store, the line starts here and it circles around the food court and over to the front. Like almost 45-minute wait. So a lot of people here today. Alright guys, I was just here in the area at Ontario Mills, but I don't have time to wait about an hour to an hour and a half to go to the Nike outlet. So I'm gonna pass for today. Alright you guys. Hey YouTube, it's JV here. It's been a minute since I've been back at the East Community Store. We're gonna go visit really quick and see what they have in stock today. Alright, come and join me. Right off the bat, I see a couple of jerseys here. Men's sizes. It is retail price for the swingman, and then they have Lebron. And we have Anthony Davis. These ones here. Retail price. It's gonna go to their Dodgers section. You have a selection of Dodger jerseys. It's for Dodger fans. You have tees. T-shirts are additional 50% off. Let me just check the jersey aisle. $135 plus additional 30%, 50% off. You have the white ones. You have the gray ones. $135 plus 50% off, you guys. Just gonna go through the aisle really quick and go to the hash wall. We're gonna go bigger sizes first. And just a quick look at the JDI slides. They are discounted, you guys, like this Beach-Roo from $60 to $24.99. Quick look at the discount. See, 30% off, additional off the hash wall. I see these triple white 98s. $119 plus 30% off. Great price on that. Right below that, you have the Shadow Backboard colorway, Mars 270s, 80 plus 30%. Here's this one, Air Max Opito. And right below that, you have triple white Renew. Tricked me there. So bigger sizes, size 12 and down. Let's see what stands out. So I see these Lakers up tempo 95s, $129 plus 30% off. So they have these Air Max 2090, Nike Bayou, $150 minus 30% off. And right above that, they have Air Max 720, $99. And right below that, you got these red colorway, the Jordan 1 High React. In this colorway, you guys. And we're down at the size 11s. They have these Jordan 80G Golf. Ooh. And in the size 10s, you have these Kyrie 6, $109. Very expensive for that price. You have these Element 87, Anthracite, $109 minus 30. This is expensive. Typically, it's with a box, it's already $89.99. You do get 30% off, so Should have been 89 minus 30. Alright, and they have these Air Max 95s, Nike by You, in this pretty outrageous colorway. 129 minus 30. And right below that, they have the Nike Sock in the University Gold colorway. Retail price minus 30. And I did see this one is pretty good price. 80, size 8 there. Hirachi type. N354. 49 minus 30%. So it's $35 after discount. And you have these Lebron 17 lows in the bread colorway. Retail price, but 30% off. A smaller size, 7.5 min. You have a couple of tailwinds in different colorways. So, you do have some soccer cleats. The Legend 8 Pro FGs. The smaller the size, the more you see. Different ones, the Phantom VSM. And it looks like a Superfly. And they have kind of the Space Jam LeBron 17 high. 180 minus 30% off, you guys. And a lot of the Air Max 200s. And they have these really nice color. I'm not sure if this is the Air Flight LE. Looks like this is the wrong box. Alright, and just a quick look at their aisle. Vapor Club FG plus 30% off, below 20. Another one, the Venom Club FG, again additional 30% off. Another Phantom Venom FG, $24.97 plus 30% off. The Venom Club, no discount. And the Venom Academy, 60, but no, just quick look at the basketball. A couple of KD trays. Airstream Freaks, 79. Alpha Dunks. You do have Mamba Focus. Kobe ADs. Retail price though. And right next to it, the Monarchs. Just looking at their Jordan wall, they have these Jordan Metal Morph Utility, $79.99. And next to it, a couple of Jordan Proto React, $79.97 plus 30% off. And you have these Lyrical Lemonade, 30% off. I've seen this at the San Isidro for $89 without the discount. So it's $36. It's a little cheaper. It's like $85 after discount. They do the Lyrical Lemonade, you guys, right there. Yeah, full size front from 8.5s to 13. And you have the Aerospace 720s in the Gym Red. This one $99, so it's around $60. It's a pretty good price for this colorway. Swing around, you'll see a Joyride. They have this medicine ball, not the medicine ball, but the Air Trainer in the USA colorway. 89, typically it's 109 at like Foot Locker or retail. So we'll see if they have my size. And they have the Air Flight Foam Faucet in this colorway, 139. Okay, I'm back at the bigger size. I was looking at those Air Max 98s, pure platinums. I did see these soccer cleats, $29.99 plus 30%. So it's like $21. Right above it, you have the Phantom Venom Pro, $27.99 plus 30%. And a couple more. The Phantom Venom, big sizes. And just a quick look at the women's sizes. Just see what they have that may stand out. So the women's side has been, it looks like it's been really picked. I did see these 270s. React 119 minus 30%. You see there's a lot of other shoes. These ones here. I forgot which one this was. Nike V Love 49, says $35. I did see the backpack section. You have these Jordan 12 backpacks. It's $54.99 minus 20% off, so it's around 40 bucks. They have plenty in stock, and they have other different Jordan backpacks. Nike Air, all additional 25% off. So if you see 30 plus taking our 25% off. Okay. Just a quick look for the women's side, and then we're in the kids. Pretty much nothing really stands out, you guys. So for the kids, they have a lot of these Air Max 200s, a lot of them, and then just a couple of these Prestos. 35 bucks, so not too bad. Let's see. So they do have a Jordan section. They have a couple of things like these sweater, $84.99, and summer shorts in different colorways. And they have the basketball stuff. They have these hoodies for 45 bucks. Check here. They have the white version of that here. I believe it's the same price. Yep, it's $44.99. So they have the white and black. Pretty good price. And more Jordan stuff here. Sweat shorts and tees that we saw at Tennessee Jordan last time. And if you guys are curious, they do have Kawhi Leonard Clipper jerseys here. There you go. They have one from full selection. I think there's retail price. Yep. Retail price. These are the Swingman. Yep. And if you guys looked around, I did find these. Los Angeles. This, I forgot this, either their icon or association version of their jersey. Right there. So they do have them. These ones are a little bit limited in sizing, I think. Extremely offensive, make it or take it. Yeah, quick look. I have my Air Max 97. Have a nice day. They do have jerseys here. $39.99. They have this one. $39.99. And they have these summer jerseys again. If you guys missed on Jordan 4 PSG this morning's drop, we do have them here. It's the Mars 270 PSG version. $89.99 plus 30%, so it's around 60 bucks. Alright, before I go, let me just go through the SB section. They have these SB Charge Slip. So the SB Zoom Janowskis, SB Peen Plastic Premium, SB Portmore 2, SB Janowskis Canvas, and SB Charge Canvas. So tempted to get this. It's around 80 bucks. Air Max 98 Premium Triple White. I'm just gonna leave it here for someone else. Yeah. I have too many shoes already. Alright, before I go, I'm just gonna check really quick at the kids section. You have kids jerseys, the Swingman. It is retail price though. Okay guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Alright guys, that was our Nike visit here at the East Community Store. There were a couple of things that were not really heat, but I did pass up on, but they do have deals, 30% off, additional discount at the wall. If you guys like this type of content, please comment and share, like down below. If you're new to my channel, I'll pretty much do some once or twice a week, and go to the Nike outlet and do a vlog and see what they currently have in stock. And I do drop other type of content in between those. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like down, share down below. Alright guys, until the next video, peace. Alright guys, we're here at the mural. Leave a legacy. It shows the Laker mural, and then right on top of it you'll see the 16 trophies.